Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be redoing my hair. It's looking pretty orange and not such a good red color that I like. So I'm gonna be doing that, and I was like, why not film it? So I'm gonna be using, I already brushed my hair. God, I hope I don't spill this. And I'm going to be using the Manic Panic Rock and Roll Red. This is what I love. It's semi-permanent. Yeah, semi-permanent hair color cream. And it doesn't damage your hair, which is a plus. So I already got, like I said, have my gloves on already, and yeah. So I'm gonna be just putting my hair in half, just like that, and then bringing it forward. I've always done my hair by myself when it comes to red because they won't do it. So I have this one that's almost gone, like it doesn't even have that much like product in there. So I'm going to use the one that's new, and I'm just going to pour a little bit more onto here, just so I don't put my hands in here. And I'm going to seal this one back on. Hopefully I don't need more than what I pour onto this one. And yes, it looks like blood. Anyways, so I'm gonna start just mixing the color into the hair. So I'm just grabbing that and just kind of brushing it with my fingers. And it's way easier when it's like your whole hair, because you could just like put it in here, but since it's just the bottom portion, it's a little harder. And then just keep making sure it's saturated, and then everything is dyed properly. And yes, I'm not a professional, so this is just how I like doing my hair. This saves me money and time, I guess. So just keep adding hair color. Okay, until you think it's well saturated. So I think that's enough for this side. I'll continue to the other side. Alright guys, so there you have it. I already did both of my sides. Everything is nice and soaked. So I'll leave that for about, I don't know, maybe how I'm gonna go do cook some salsa for my husband, and then I'll be right back to take a shower and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm done taking a shower again. So I'm gonna start blow drying my hair. It already looks way red, if you could even tell. It looks pretty good. I like it. So I'm just gonna blow dry my hair and I'll be right back. Guys, so the hair is somewhat blow dried. I didn't blow dry the whole thing like perfectly fine because it's still looking kind of wet, feeling wet from here. But now we're gonna go ahead and style it, and I've been loving my strainer that I got. I'm gonna be using some of this coconut milk anti-breakage serum, and I have no idea the brand. I'm guessing the brand is coconut milk, and they sell this at Walmart. Just doing a little bit, which you can't even see because it's clear. And I'm just gonna put this on the ends, make sure, and then the rest of the oil, just gonna pass it through the rest of the hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and section this. I love how my hair looks so nice and shiny after I dye it again. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. I don't like how this, you can see that ugly line, but you can't really tell once it's all nice and so I'm gonna grab the brush and brush it downwards. And it's just one swipe, and look how nice it looks. Like I don't even have to do too much. Straight. And not straight. It's looking good, right? It looks really, really shiny as well. Alright guys, so there you have it. I love my hair. It's still nice and silky. It looks gorgeous. Like, I just love my hair. It looks super pretty. And then of course, to keep it this nice and silky and vibrant, I do not wash my hair every day. I try to go for maybe 3 times a week, and that's it. And of course, I use dry shampoo in between days, but other than that, that's all I do, guys. I'll try to insert a clip in the sun, so once I go outside, I'll try to show you guys a clip of how vibrant the hair looks, just in case the bathroom lights are not doing the color any justice. But yeah, this is how I keep my hair nice and red and vibrant. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And if you would like to see more hair tutorials, definitely let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Alright guys, so this is the video I promised. This is how the hair looks in the sun. Really nice and vibrant. Thank you guys.